and that's what's going to print up there.
Oh wow.
Wow, it's interesting.
It makes a circle around it, see there, and then it...
Yeah. Oh, around the eyes?
Yeah. They're doing the other eye.
How did we decide where to put it? I thought it would have just gone backwards and forwards along the
No. No, it goes round and round, and then it goes... It does the infill.
Right.
See, all this was printed on one of these.
Was it?
Yep.
For the plastic bits.
Yep.
Wow. They're going to make body parts.
They are making body parts.
Are they? Already?
Yeah.
I wanted to do me a house.
Yeah, I reckon so. I reckon a house. We want
Yeah.
nothing.
Oh, I tell you, bro, we can make a milk dryer, mate. See the.
It actually tells you where it's doing it.
Yeah.
Does it tell you what layer you're up?
And if you go down, Tim, you'll get it.
I don't think this was ever going to happen.
Most things don't get finished.
Just got to tidy that wiring up a bit. Now you can buy one of these at Noel Leeming's, not the same as this, but a little one, $2,000, and for a cartridge of filament, which is not as much as that, you'll pay $100. That filament, $33 a kilogram, 100 metres.
So if it has to go, if it goes thicker, I suppose it just moves up a bit higher.
Yeah. It's all driven by that. The up and down Z is driven by that bolt.
So how much can it move?
About
What millimetre or?
minute.
Well, I suppose it's the thickness of whatever the plastic is.
It'll be whatever.
The accuracy.
You see that? You see the
Just a Bitcoin.
that one. yeah. That's one where that was a bit low on the bed, or the bed was very hot, and that you see that ridge there. That's
a frown on one side and a smile on the other. That's
yeah. Happy sad. Yeah. And that one, yeah, that was done, the hot bed was about 80 degrees, too hot. Yeah, you're into it, Tim.
I'm interested how can it drawing smile. It's a bad smile. Now it's bad smile. It's a good smile.
Yeah, because that's pretty hard because it's got to how do you overlap the bits of plastic without it dropping through?
Yeah, you can do that, yep.
Well, it must have to be.
What they call rafting or bridging.
Yeah, that must be what's happened here, isn't it?
Yeah, that there.
Oh no, because
it starts
off. Well, it started off. That's the flat
what
bit.
it's doing
It
there
started
now.
off with the flat bit.
You'll notice that that's a bit rough where it's going backwards and forwards. That's 100% fill round the edges, and all the stuff in here is 40% fill.
Right.
It's honeycomb. Because it's wasteful filling all this up with solid plastic.
So what determines the route that it takes? How does the program decide?
It's all worked out by the program.
Okay.
It's what you call sliced. It's G-code. And yeah, and you can knock up your models out of any AutoCAD program.
Cross it down.
There's free stuff. Yeah.
The AutoCAD program is the tool, isn't it? Somebody's still got to work out. They'll do it a certain
Yeah. And then you take it from that into the slicing program, which then works out what it's going to do, how it's going to do it, and how long it's going to take. You need one of these, Brian. Your next job, you could roll up with a working model.
Right. I've got video on my machine.
Oops. New smile.
The dial gauge. That clocks it.
Oh, this thing down here.
Turn it over the other way.
Does it turn over?
Very sad.
Ah. Oh, I see. So that's all you can make at the moment.
Yeah, right now. That there, to level the bed, I put a dial gauge across the rails. That was just a bit of aluminium I had. That there is a proper thing that my friend made, and he's got a long thing on his dial gauge. Well, this fits it, but it's not long enough because it's the extruder extends way down. But if I had an extension, that would be all right. And that's the sort of thing you can do. I will make one to fit this from up here. I've got another dial gauge coming. I don't know what it's like. Or you can
So
make.
you make a very small gap in that, can't you?
Yeah, that's so that it doesn't split, and so that when you tighten it,
Yes.
and yeah. So yeah, you can make dry parts all right, Ryan. Hey.
Could melt 200.
Yeah, it would melt.
Do we print some coins and colour them gold or something?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna.
Gold sovereign.
This actually prints better than the green, than the solid. The translucent is
Yeah.
better. I'm going to get some of that. And then the other thing you can print is ABS. And that's very strong. This is made of cornstarch. Yeah. You can make it out of cornstarch, vinegar, and water. A crude version of it. Now it's doing the surface, I think. Doing
And we just thought you were pretty face.
the. Yeah. Yeah, and that was downloaded off the net, that file.
Yep.
There's a thing called Thingiverse.
So what are the lines that it's showing there on the drawing? Why's it got the
Yeah, I don't know. That's something to do with.
Point of origin.
Yeah. Point of origin. Where it's
Takes a while.
In time, I can speed it up. I know what I'm doing.
But it doesn't actually really matter for a lot of one-off things.
Yeah.
That, some of them.
Yeah.
I've
Like
read
when you
about
make
they
that.
take a few hours or
Right.
overnight. Whatever.
Yeah. It takes a few hours to do that. But what you do is you place everything on a. I see now it's doing the finishing on the top. There's a platter that you can put all the objects, and it'll go along. It'll start off at the low ones, of course, and then when the low ones are finished, it proceeds up to the higher stuff. Here you go.